Mrs. Rose was a teacher for more than 30 years. She loved her students and always wanted them to learn, dream, and believe in themselves. After she retired, the school felt quiet without her. One afternoon, she decided to visit her old classroom. When she opened the door, everything looked the same. The desks, the board, and even the small window that always let in sunlight. But the classroom was empty now. She walked slowly, touching the desks, remembering the children who once sat there, laughing, reading, and asking questions. She smiled when she remembered how some students were shy, some were loud, and some were always late. Every one of them was special to her. As she turned to leave, she noticed something on her old desk. It was a small folded note. On the front it said, "For Mrs. Rose." Her heart beat faster. She opened it and began to read. The note said, "Dear Mrs. Rose, thank you for believing in us. You taught us more than English or math. You taught us kindness, patience, and courage. We miss you." Mrs. Rose sat down and smiled through her tears. The empty classroom didn't feel empty anymore. It was full of love, laughter, and memories. Before leaving, she placed the note back on the desk and whispered, "Thank you, my dear students." Outside, the sun was shining, and she felt happy knowing she had made a difference in their lives.